How did Lower East Side sweatshops impact NYC history? Imagine a neighborhood bustling with activity, filled with small workshops where immigrant families worked long hours under tough conditions. That's what the Lower East Side was like during the late 1800s and early 1900s. Sweatshops were tiny, often overcrowded spaces where mostly Jewish and Eastern European immigrants made clothing and other goods. These workshops played a big role in shaping New York City's story. They gave many newcomers their first jobs in America, helping families earn wages and start building a life. Even though the pay was low and the hours were long, these jobs were often the only options available at the time. The garment industry became a major part of the city's economy, turning the Lower East Side into a hub for clothing production. This helped New York City become a leader in the garment trade both nationally and internationally. These sweatshops also helped keep immigrant communities close. Workers could speak their native languages and celebrate their cultural traditions while working. Jewish workers, for example, could observe the Sabbath and celebrate festivals, which kept their community bonds strong. But the harsh conditions also sparked early efforts to improve workers' rights. Workers organized strikes and pushed for better wages, safer workplaces, and limits on working hours. The neighborhood became a center for labor activism, influencing laws that protected workers across the city and country. The crowded living conditions in the Lower East Side grew because of the concentration of sweatshops. Many families lived in tiny apartments, and the neighborhood became one of the most densely populated places in the world. Over time, the growth of the garment industry led to the construction of large industrial buildings and garment lofts, changing the neighborhood's look. As the industry expanded, many workers and entrepreneurs moved into the broader garment district in Manhattan. Some former sweatshop workers became business owners or developers, helping to shape the city's skyline and economy. The impact of sweatshops on New York City is clear. They helped immigrant families find jobs, built a thriving industry, and sparked important labor reforms. They also left a lasting mark on the city's neighborhoods and its history of resilience and growth.